मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक।
My good wishes for you are the just prayers from God for your happy and long life. On this event, wish you a very happy Eid Mubarak. Thank you.
ईद की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। ईद उल फित्र ये रमजानुल मुबारक के एक महीने के बाद खुशी का त्योहार है। ये उर्दू कैलेंडर के अनुसार यकुम शव्वाल को मनाया जाता है। ये त्योहार ईद मूल रूप से भाईचारे को बढ़ावा देने वाला त्योहार है। इस त्योहार को सब मिलजुल कर मनाते हैं और खुदा से सुख, शांति और बरकत के लिए दुआएं मांगते हैं। आइए हम सब मिलकर ये दुआ मांगे कि ऐ मेरे परवरदिगार, ये जो मुजी बीमारी कोरोना की शक्ल में फैली हुई है उसे जल्द से जल्द नेस्ता नाबूद कर दे। आमीन। सबको सेहत दे और हर घर में खुशहाली आए, सभी लोग अमन और चैन से रहें। हमारे स्कूलों में फिर से वही रौनकें लौट आए और हमारे बच्चे हंसते खिलखिलाते स्कूल की फिजा में बाहर लाएं। हमारे घरों में फिर खुशियों का त्योहार मनाया जाए और जो हमसे बिछड़ गए हैं इस राह में ईश्वर उनके परिवार को शक्ति दे और उनकी आत्मा को शांति। ईद मुबारक इस उम्मीद के साथ कि अगले सब त्योहार हम सब मिलकर स्कूल में एक साथ मनाएंगे। अल्लाह।
May the festival of breaking the fast put all the magic of love and happiness together. Happy Eid al-Fitr.
Can you tell me what is this Eid that you get on Eid?
Yes, dear. Our elders give their blessings in the form of money. We love to take Eid on Eid.
How can I spend it?
Any way you like. Let me show you something.
And that was a brilliant performance. Perfect posture and balance.
Hello. Oh, hi guys. When did you get here? We've been standing here for 5 whole minutes.
Oh, our Naz becomes a Naz zombie when it comes to gymnastics.
Did you see that girl, Daddy? When I make my trampoline, I am going to fly up into the sky. You're making a trampoline? Yes. So cool! Can we play on it too? Only if you help me build it. Wait a minute. I have been saving up money and buying all the materials. Now I just have to buy the rubber sheet.
My nimble Naz, with your Eid tomorrow, you'll have enough money for sure.
Tomorrow is Eid and children receive money to buy whatever they like. It's called Eid.
I know! I love Eid! It's my favorite festival.
Who wants to go outside and see the smiling sky?
Smiling sky?
The crescent moon. Just like a smile in the sky. Look!
The crescent moon marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan. It means the festival of Eid has begun.
Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Eid Mubarak!
The Khans have come Eid shopping. Naz's trampoline sheet, shoes for daddy and new clothes for mummy.
Here, take this.
Thank you.
Mummy, now we'll all get wet.
That's okay, Naz. The old lady needed the umbrella more.
Guard Chacha, could you help, please?
Sure.
Eid Mubarak, Guard Chacha.
Eid Mubarak.
and thank you very, very much.
Daddy, you finally just bought those shoes you wanted and you gave them away?
God Chacha needed them more, Naz, and today is Eid.
Oh, poor little birds and their little eggs. Here. Yes. It's okay, little birds. You need this more. Eid Mubarak. Why are you sad, Naz? Oh, why? They needed it more. That's what Eid is about. Helping and caring for others.
Later that afternoon,
Here kids, some kheer and some Eidi for all of you. Eid Mubarak.
Wait, I know. If Ramadan and Eid are about helping, then we should also help with our Eidi money and our piggy bank savings. Super thought, Bubble Bright. Can I open my eyes now? Just another few steps. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Huh? Trampoline? For me? Eid Mubarak, But how?
All thanks to your friends. They decided to use their Eidi to make you happy, just like you used yours to help the birds.
Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak!
Eid is not about wearing new clothes and eating sweets. It's all about helping others who are in need.
Yes, and I have decided to use my Eid money for those children who need it.
Happy Eid to all of you. Stay home, stay safe.
My good wishes for you are just prayers for your happy long life. So God, this noble event, wish you a very happy Eid Mubarak.
On Eid al-Fitr, wish that Allah's blessing should light up the path and lead to happiness, peace and success. Happy Eid.
Eid Mubarak, Mubarak Eid Mubarak, Mubarak Eid Mubarak, Mubarak Eid Mubarak. खुशबू लगा के शेखर मखा के खुशबू लगा के शेखर मखा के हाथों में हम अपनी मेहंदी लगा के मांगेंगे ईदी कहेंगे हम प्यारी मम्मी प्यारे पापा ईद मुबारक सबको ईद मुबारक प्यारी मम्मी प्यारे पापा ईद मुबारक सबको ईद मुबारक चूड़ी पहन के काजल लगा के चूड़ी पहन के काजल लगा के माथे पे हम अपना टीका लगा के मांगेंगे ईदी कहेंगे ये हम प्यारी नानी प्यारी दादी ईद मुबारक सबको ईद मुबारक प्यारी नानी प्यारी दादी ईद मुबारक सबको ईद मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मिलने सहेली से जाऊंगी ईद पे मैं अपने कपड़े दिखाऊंगी ईद पे मिलने सहेली से जाऊंगी ईद पे मैं अपने कपड़े दिखाऊंगी जाके, फुप्पू के जाके, खाला के जाके, फुप्पू के जाके, मामू के, चाचू के, ताया के जाके मांगेंगे ईदी, कहेंगे ये हम, कहेंगे ये हम। प्यारी चाची, प्यारे चाचू, ईद मुबारक, सबको 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 ईद मुबारक। प्यारी चाची, प्यारे चाचू, ईद मुबारक, सबको 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 ईद मुबारक। प्यारी मामी, प्यारे मामा, ईद मुबारक, सबको 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 ईद मुबारक। Thank you.
Hello everyone, Eid is here with a feeling of excitement and happiness is missing. This is a tough time for everyone. Many of us suffer during this pandemic. We can only hope on this day for the upcoming days to be filled with prosperity, health and peace everywhere. For the students, true spirit of Eid shall be when we are able to come back to school. So have a peaceful and a safe Eid Mubarak.
May you continue to grow wiser and more charming every day. May this Eid brings happy in your heart and to your family. Eid al-Fitr Mubarak.
Hello everyone, Eid is here. Under normal circumstances, it is celebrated with family, friends and having huge brunches together. However, due to pandemic, we won't be able to step out of our homes for celebrations. However, we can always share our best wishes and blessings with each other. So, here I am sharing my Eid wishes with each one of you. May Allah bless you all with health, wealth, peace and prosperity, and we all stay home and stay safe. Eid Mubarak everyone.
Jazakallah for sharing. Thank you for sharing. ना आप सबको रमज़ान मुबारक हो. रमज़ान के बाद हम ईद मनाएंगे and we can't go out, so we have to celebrate Eid at our homes. So we can share our things in this way and spread happiness and spread love and spread brotherhood. So keep on sharing. You should share everything. Okay? So keep sharing. Keep sharing.
Eid, the festival of sharing happiness after the 30 days of fasting and prayers, has come. But this year, it has not brought us so many smiles, and we all are praying that our loved ones remain safe from the COVID pandemic. It has compelled us to remain prisoned inside our houses, keeping us away from celebrating the festival of Eid as we usually used to do with our friends. But we need to keep faith in the Almighty Lord and pray for each other's well-being, and also extend a helping hand for the needy people as much as we can, so that we all can get the good times back again. Wishing you peace in your heart and happiness in your abode this Eid. Eid Mubarak to everyone.
हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी को ईद मुबारक. हैप्पी ईद. हैव सम स्वीट्स. हेलो एवरीवन, I wish you all a very happy Eid. Eid Mubarak to all of you, and I wish may God keeps you healthy and safe. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी को रमजान मुबारक. रमजान के बाद ईद आती है, सो कीप sharing love, keep sharing brotherhood, and as much as you can share. This is a very tough time. Keep sharing everything as much as you can. Stay safe, stay healthy.
I hope we can carry this tradition forward. So, happy Eid to you and your family.
Thank you, dear teachers, for your love and blessings. We will surely share this and will pass on to others as well.
May this Eid bring a healthy atmosphere of happiness and peace. Eid Mubarak to all my dear teachers and